So you're ready to hit your big audacious goals and feel the amazing joy and confidence that comes from hitting them and achieving them. Hi, I'm Christina Proctor, ADHD coach, and I'm here to tell you that hitting your goals, setting your goals does not have to be as exhausting and as burnout oriented as it has been for you in the past. And the first step is to download this spreadsheet, and what it'll do is that you will receive it via email with a link, and there will be a video that will walk you through the spreadsheet. And the question I get all the time is, Christina, why is this spreadsheet so important? And I'm here to tell you because it is the first step in really giving yourself permission to dream bigger. Maybe you have ADHD like me and you're newly diagnosed. I got diagnosed when I was in my 30s, and it was one of the greatest and most terrorizing times of my life. And so, what this template does is that it's going to give you permission to set goals in all domains of your life. Because sometimes we get pigeonholed into setting goals around finances or career or business and don't expand that to other areas of our lives. That is part of the secret on how to set goals without burning out, is to give yourself permission to dream bigger and beyond your financial, career, and business type goals. Still important, still a part of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on this website, you're going to go down and click a download, enter your email, and it will be sent over to you, as well as a tutorial to walk through the spreadsheet as a whole. I would love to hear what you think about the spreadsheet, on what it could have in it, what to do better with it. You can email me directly at Christina with a K at neurodivergentventures.com. I'd love to hear from you, and you will now get any updated versions that happen to go out. So welcome to the club, and I look forward to hearing from you.